So I added some players to the trade block. To be honest with you, while uh, I was away from recording, I added Teddy Bridgewater to the trade block. Mike Gesicki has been added to the trade block. I don't think I'll trade Gesicki, but if someone comes with something, he honestly hasn't been that big of a part of the offense. Eric Rowe has also been added to the trade block. Uh, Byron Jones' contract is way too big to move. Ingram wasn't added. I was thinking about it, but I may actually keep him around unless he just wants an overpay. But this week we have Atlanta. I didn't want to trade Bridgewater to Atlanta before we play them because I think that could have been a spot because Cam Newton is the quarterback there right now in Madden. Not in real life, but I could totally see that happening for Atlanta trying to bring Cam Newton if, let's say, Marcus Mariota does go down in camp. But believe this is the game where we get to play offense only. Thank the Lord. Had a huge game last week. We're not going to wear any special uniforms this week, not against the Falcons. Not a whole big point to it. And we're approaching the... Oh, also, I also did put Sony Michel on the block too, just to see if we get any bites. Really, anyone that really wants to trade for these guys, totally open to doing that. Haven't really used the trade block much. I don't know if it's really worth using, if anyone actually makes any offers to you, but we'll see. I was close to actually giving Raheem Mostert a contract. So he's the 25th. Most valuable in the NFL right now. Oh my god, that doesn't help. As soon as I talk about you, he'll be down by contact. I think no. Wow, what a bad start. Gonna have Tyreek Hill. Switch play, but yeah, add some players to the trade block. We're gonna see if we get anything for them. Love to get some more picks from this upcoming draft. Believe we have 2 first-round picks, or I think that shows that we trade that away, throw it away. Yes, we do, Vince man. We need another W, which it's not going the greatest right now. Like I said, the big person that you could see getting traded is definitely Mike Gesicki. Oh my god. Got stuck on Raheem Mostert there. Got absolutely stuck. Which Atlanta isn't even doing that bad, to be honest, to what they were supposed to be. They're not doing that bad. Let's try a little cheese play here. Oh, Waddle. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Swaggy. See, I made up my own nicknames for him. Let's try to get Chase Edmonds in. First time this season, I believe. Oh, my Lord. We don't like that. Can he get it in the passing game? Yes, he can. Touchdown, baby. Chase Edmonds' first touchdown was a Dolphin, if I'm not mistaken. If you really look at it, Tyreek Hill has been our offense. Not too many other players. Jalen Waddle, yes. Same time, not so much. Armstead goes down. Knew it would happen at some point. Knew it would happen at some point. That definitely sucks. I really hope Armstead's going to be okay. Armstead is huge for us. Which I kind of knew at some point he was going to get hurt. It was bound to happen. Austin Jackson back at left tackle now. job, Jalen Waddle. Sir Swaggy. Bruised shoulder. Alright, he should be fine then. He'll be back in the game. But Dolphins fans, we definitely know that at some point this year, Armstead is just gonna get hurt. It's gonna happen. My one biggest surprise, knock on wood, is JC Treader playing all the games so far. Doing a really good job staying on the field for us. Need to get something going on offense. See you, Gesicki. Cedric can't make those really close catches at times. He was doing really good at the start of the year. Ooh, no Grenagani showing why he deserves to be on the field. 10-7. Not a big deal. Gonna continue running our offense. Armstead back in, but he kind of just shouldered the guy right into Mostert. Let's see. Mostert gained most of the carries. Really seeing that we kind of gone away from the whole splitting carries thing. I'm honestly glad I didn't jump the gun and start giving people contracts. You see the writing on the wall for some players, like Mike Gesicki. I don't think I'm gonna pay him. To be honest, we have to punt again. I don't want to give him the ball back right here, just in case we don't make it. Rather just play the field position game. Yes, sir. Playing it smart worked. But yeah, Gesicki, I am doing like, you know, real contracts for these players. You know, it's saying that he's just asking for $4 million, but that's not what it's gonna be. I don't think I'm gonna end up paying the guy what he wants. If I can go get another big name free agency to add to our offense. Or I could always do franchise tag and trade him. But, you know, gotta see if I can trade him at the deadline. That's a potential. Which I think even if you trade him at the deadline, what are you losing? Losing that. Guy's proven that he's not a big part of this offense anymore. Let's go, baby. 2 rushes, 41 yards. 2 using that ground game to his advantage this game. Moser again. This is getting ridiculous, Moser. You were doing so well. It's such a big. I was so proud of Moser last game. Oh yeah, Tyreek just burned. Don't tell me that was Terrell. He just got absolutely killed. 23-14. Come on now. Trusting you, Mostert. Can't have you fumbling for a 3rd time in a game. May have figured out our ground game. He's still fighting though. Look for Waddle here. Oh shit. Hope we get that. Oh my god, he did not. He did not. He did not just do that. Jalen Waddle. Mr. Waddle. Mr. Swaggy. Just went up between two defenders and grabbed it. Are you kidding me? Gotta be joking me. Oh yeah, Mustard. Oh my god, if that guy wasn't right there, that was to the house. That was to the crib. Are down, but definitely right back in it with a score here. Gonna need 2 scores. Really like this Wilson around here. See if we can hit him on it. Yes, sir. Come on now. Touchdown, Cedric Wilson, baby. Cedric Wilson is like that true, like, third receiver you can count on. He is like Kenny Stills, which we can argue if he was a number 2, or some people thought he was a number 1. It sucks that our defense is selling right now. And they don't even have a great offense. That could take them out of. I'm thinking we might want to trade for Bridgewater. Oh, let's go, baby. Oh, Terrell didn't want to. They didn't want to be burned again. I gotta start taking this seriously here. Oh, Lord. I was thinking that was going to be a pick there, to be honest. We're going to have to punt it back to them. We're going to have to play it safe. It would be game if we didn't get it. Shoelace. Noah Benogany. Let's go. I'm glad I did that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mike Gesicki, baby. Good job, Gesicki. Might be playing for your next team. Show out for your next team, baby. If he would have beat him on there, that could have actually went. It could have went yard. Come on now, let's go. Let's go. Evans, baby. Evans is such a good receiving back. Man, I am lucky with those kinds of hits. He was fumbling off of nothing. Fumbling off nothing before. He hangs on those. Madden logic. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Tyreek saying, get in that weight room. Tyreek Hill, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Cheese. Easy. Easy cheesy. Alright, we gotta score a touchdown here. No ifs, ands, or buts. It's gonna take us to 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Gotta score a touchdown. We could not lose to Atlanta. I could not stand for that. Losing against Atlanta would be pathetic. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That could have been it. That could have been over if he would have caught that inbounds. We are lucky. We are absolutely lucky today. Sicky wide open, baby. Thank God he hung on. Sicky becoming that guy all of a sudden. Heard me talking about not wanting to pay him. Gesicki touchdown, baby. Went up and grabbed it. Let's go. We just snuck by Atlanta. Scary win. That was a scary one. Oh my Lord. Very, very close call. Ooh, Cam Newton didn't have a bad game at all. Wow. 16 of 23, 360 yards, 69% completion, 5 touchdowns to 0 interceptions. Guy's going off. 123, or Jalen Waddle receiving, 134, Tyreek Hill, 123, Mike Gesicki, 61. See, that's how the offense should always be. That's how it should always be. Let's see how the defense did. 1 sack for Christian Wilkins, 1 sack for Reuben Foster. Of course, nobody else showing up for the game. Yeah, no interceptions. Wow. Let's see Atlanta. 47 yards on the ground. Ooh, Brian Edwards went off against us. So did Auden Tate. Drake London being a little rookie. I see ya. But we still got time to see if we got any offers for the players we did put on the trading block. I don't think we will. Ooh, we got trade offers. We got offers on the board, and it is officially the trade deadline. Mike Gesicki, Teddy Bridgewater. Alright, let's see. What do they want to give up? So Seattle is willing to do a second next year and a 7th rounder. Washington is willing to do a 3rd rounder this year and a 7th rounder next year. I don't really like that. A 3rd round pick next year and a 4th round pick. Man, 2/3 from New York. Let's do that. We have shipped off Teddy Bridgewater to the New York Giants for 2 3rd-round picks. And let's see the Mike Gesicki offer. The Mike Gesicki offers are rolling in. Whew. There are so many offers for Mike Gesicki. So a 3rd-round pick from Chicago, no. 3rd-round pick next year and 5th round, no. I'm not trading into Buffalo. A 3rd rounder, that's not going to do it. Next year's 2nd. If someone could do a 2022 2nd, I'd be down. A 2022 3rd and 4th rounder. 2022 and a 2nd or a 3rd and 4th. Oh man. 2nd, 7th, nah. I don't want a next year 2nd rounder though. I want a this year 2nd rounder. (2023) 2nd rounder. See, I don't love this. I don't love this. I like the Cleveland offer at best. Rather ship him out of the division though, potentially. To the Dallas Cowboys for a second round pick next year. Because we're still in 2021 from where we're at right now. Nah, I can't do it. I can't do those kind of sucked. Those offers sucked. I didn't like the offer for Mike Gesicki. Mike Gesicki is seeming like he's gonna last through the trade deadline. Teddy Bridgewater did not. He got shipped off to the Giants for 2 third-round picks. I'm good for it. You know, Madden offered it. Let's see. Now I need to get a backup quarterback in here. And honestly, I'll just call up Skylar Thompson in there. I mean, we weren't going to sign Bridgewater back to be the backup. So, I mean, I'm good for that. Two third rounders. I'm good with it. So that's going to be the video. Got the trades going through. Mike Gesicki survives it. I was thinking about that Cleveland trade a lot. A third and a fourth this year was pretty good, but at the same time, I mean, I could potentially franchise tag him and trade him wherever I want. So, or trade him for something better when free agency comes around. But yeah, that's going to be it, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a fantastic day. Hopefully I got you away from whatever life brings you for a little while to come watch this Dolphins rebuild. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this with all your friends. Get the channel to 150, 200 subscribers. Let's get it going, guys. Really keep grinding on this series. Loving every single second of it. Hopefully we're gonna win the Super Bowl this year. We'll see what happens, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, baby.